This is the RFP1215 from SpyGadgets.com. At $395, this unit is for advanced DIY users. The Black Ops 1 has a frequency range of 4 MHz to 13 GHz and a battery life up to 24 hours. This makes it a portable, efficient way to check for wireless signals. The level meter is segmented into 14 sections, giving you sensitivity for close-up and far-away signals. As you get closer, the meter goes up, and using the device on a different plane lets you zero in on the hidden signal. The built-in attenuator can be adjusted once the level meter is at full to further narrow down the location. This is the RFP1215 from SpyGadgets.com.